What is up, guys? Welcome to Be Lit Reviews. I'm here today with the package I got from Rooted in Nashville, Tennessee. Shout out to Alexander over there, one of the co-owners. There's 3 that own it. Pretty good people, real good people. So let's get into the box. The first thing you'll find if you win a raffle at Rooted is a note. Now the note I will read to you. It says, "Be lit. Congratulations on the drawing. I forgot to tell you thank you for coming to our 3-year anniversary. We appreciate it. Enjoy the Airmax 90s. Tell the family hello and God bless. Stay rooted." So they handwrite notes when you win. I went to the 3-year anniversary. It was really lit. They give you stickers as well. Pulling these out, you got these beautiful Airmax 90s. And I'm going to set the box to the side. Actually, let me read the box so you know what you get. So on the box, it reads Airmax 90 SP. Total orange / black, retail $140 US. This is what it looks like. And you do have a lot number up top and a quality control stamp right here on the side. So let's put all these boxes to go with the other millions of boxes I got outside. Let's get into this shoe. Let's get into what you came for, the meat and potatoes. So jumping into this beautiful Airmax 90, guys. You see it. You got the orange and black outer. Flipping it up, got the white and black rubber with the orange air bubble right there. You can see through. Now, that beautiful Nike Air branding we all love on the back. Rotating around, this is the leather. All this is leather, this is rubber, that's leather, and this is mesh. So you got leather on all the camo, and then on the toe box, you got mesh, and up around the sock lining and into the sock lining, you got mesh, and the bottom right there, Nike Air on the insole. Now, the whole actually cool part is this is leather. That's all leather, the tongue right there. So it does come with 2 sets of laces, guys. Comes with the orange and a black. And they will have Nike Air on the bag. So actually, you know what? I just discovered this too. It has a Nike Air hang tag. It reminded me of my, this will tell my age. In 1989, I got my first Jordan 4s when they first came out worldwide. Of course, I was a kid. They had that hang tag on them, I believe. And yeah, pretty much sure they did. Them and the military 4s and the C-Mets. I had the Fire Reds. Can't wait for them to retro. But anyway, let's get back to this. So anyway, this is a beautiful shoe. They dropped these guys on Airmax Day this year. They did 3 of these in the pack. This is the only one I have. You know, there you go. You got a really beautiful shoe. This is retailing $140. I don't know what the resale is. I don't resell. I do keep all my shoes. Hopefully I'll be able to, I was hoping maybe if the football starts, I can throw this on and wear it to a UT game with some of my gear. But we'll see how the year plays out. But brought back to life for this year's Airmax Day, guys. There was 3 of these. The first one dyed itself in a neon tinged infrared with more recent, and the second one was more of a recent, like Airmax 90 Ghost Green, and to top it off is this orange one here. So the underlays as well as the lining, guys, and branded patches lead with a titular shade. The threads are dying to match much of the affirmated alternates, while the camo pattern itself is tinted with close leaning to the fall season. Earth tones, guys, you can find throughout this, from lighter browns to darker, like auburn colors, and other various shapes, wrapping from the toe cap to the heel wrap, you know, with that signature Nike on the back. Now, guys, these are really, really nice, and I can't wait to get the other 2 in my collection. I have always loved Air Maxes, but I'm starting to increase my Dunk collection as well. But Airmax 90 is by far, I ain't gonna, actually it is my favorite silhouette. The Airmax 90 is my favorite silhouette. There you guys go. It's a very beautiful put together shoe. There's 3 of them, like I said, and you should get them while you can. And I appreciate you watching, guys. And if you like what you see, I got a lot more videos coming. We're doing some live streaming. We're gonna be get some guests on here. Got a lot of affiliates we're working on. So till next time, guys, happy 4th of July. Stay woke, stay lit. Let's get it.